Welcome to day 11 of the 50 Skills in 50 Days Challenge. Today, we're diving into transcription, turning listening into income from home. This skill has a potential earning range of $10 to $60 per hour, requires no experience, and is 100% remote. I'm dedicating the next 50 days to teaching you one in-demand skill each day. Today is focused entirely on you and learning transcription. If you can listen and type accurately, you already possess the foundation for this paying career. No degree, no office, no commute needed, just your laptop, headphones, and this skill. You could be earning $10 to $60 per hour in just 1 to 3 weeks. Transcription is simply converting audio or video recordings into accurate written text. You bridge the gap between spoken and written words, and businesses pay well for this service. There are 3 main types: general transcription for things like podcasts and meetings, legal transcription for court hearings and depositions, and medical transcription for doctor reports and clinical notes. Your earning potential grows with experience and specialization. Beginners can earn $10 to $20 per hour on platforms like GoTranscript and TranscribeMe. Intermediate transcribers can make $20 to $35 per hour. Specializing in legal transcription can boost earnings to $25 to $50 per hour. The highest paid niche, medical transcription, offers $30 to $60 per hour, with specialists potentially earning over $70,000 annually. To get started, here are the first 4 of 7 free certification sites. Transcribe Anywhere offers a free 7-lesson mini course. The Transcription Cert Institute provides a free beginner course, including a certificate. Coursesity aggregates free courses covering general, legal, and medical transcription. FutureLearn offers free short courses with a digital certificate upon completion. The remaining free certification sites include edX, where you can audit transcription and language courses from top universities. Escribra offers a free comprehensive general transcription course tailored for beginners. Read Online Learning provides free transcription fundamentals courses with completion certificates.
Transcribe Anywhere is a website where you can have a mini course on transcriptions. Starts with free mini course. So you can just come here, find free mini course, click on the free mini course, then have the free mini course, send me the free mini course. So once you click on send me the free mini course, you just have to get an email. I think your email address, your name and your email address, then click on send me free mini course. I wish you best of luck. Next one is transcriptioncertificationinstitute.org. This is the website. You can be a transcriptionist by learning this course and getting the certifications after the completion of the course. So just come here, training. They have an internship, career opportunities. This is their training program. Just click on it and find the course you want to learn. I wish you very best. Let's move on to the next one. This is Coursesity. Coursesity is a website that gives you free courses on transcription. So if you want to be a transcriptionist, come to Coursesity. They also have every other courses there. They have 150 plus free certification course. So I wish you very best. Just come here, click on free courses, and you have tons of it. You have all the free courses here. So search for the one you want to learn. I wish you very best of luck. Let's move on to the next one. The next one is FutureLearn. So FutureLearn is also a free website to get started with your courses. Just come to the search bar right here and click on whatever courses you want to learn, and I wish you very best. EDX is a website. I don't think EDX is free, but if you have the money, you can come here to learn and get your certifications. So moving on, come to Escribe.com. Escribe.com is a transcriptionist website. So there are tons of websites here. There are free courses, there are freelancers about transcription. So you can just go here about transcription now. So these free courses come here: general transcription, legal transcription, digital marketing, virtual assistants, voice over talent. Come to this place, scoping transcripts editing. So if you want to be a legal transcriptionist, just click on the legal transcription and learn what legal transcriptionist is all about. I mentioned it earlier, so I wish you all the very best, and you can even have free courses on legal transcriptionist. These are the free courses. So all the best. Let's move on to the next one. This is learnlegaltranscription.com. Come to learnlegaltranscription.com and sign up. This is free transcription bootcamp. Just click on sign up right here. You can see it is free, 100% free, and I think you get the certifications after the completion of the training. So if you have this is not enroll, log in to enroll, then click on log in to enroll. Come right here and put your username or email address, then password, or click on create account. Then you have to fill all of this form: your name, email address, password, confirm password, then register. I wish you very best. If you haven't subscribed, click on that subscribe button, like this video, share with a friend, and join 50 skills in 50 days community. Check the description box, check the comment section, it is right there. I wish you the very best.
All 7 sites are 100% free to join. Now for job platforms. Rev is popular for beginners, requiring a short skills test and pays per audio minute. Transcribe Me offers short 4-minute audio clips and pays $15 to $22 per audio hour to your PayPal. GoTranscript hires worldwide and pays up to 60 cents per audio minute. Scribey is great for beginners, allowing instant application and offering $5 to $20 per audio hour. More job platforms include SpeakRight for law enforcement, legal, and professional industries, offering flexible schedules and great earning potential after a skills test. FlexJobs curates remote-only transcription jobs from verified employers, screening out scams. Finally, ZipRecruiter lets you browse over 1,000 remote transcription roles with a one-click apply feature. Your transcription toolkit includes essential free resources. Get a decent pair of headphones, preferably noise canceling. Use OTranscribe, a free browser tool that plays audio as you type. ExpressScribe is free transcription software with foot pedal support. Utilize Google Docs' built-in voice typing. Use Grammarly for a free grammar check, essential for accuracy. Finally, practice to achieve a 65+ WPM typing speed using sites like keybr.com or Typing Club. Here is your 4-step action plan to start today. Step 1. Learn. Start with Transcribe Anywhere's free 7-lesson mini course. Step 2. Practice. Transcribe 3 short videos or podcasts, aiming for 65+ WPM and 98% accuracy. Step 3. Certify. Complete the free course at the Transcription Certification Institute and add your certificate to your CV. Step 4. Apply. Create profiles on beginner-friendly sites like GoTranscript and Transcribe Me to land your first job this week. Day 11 is complete. Your transcription career begins the moment you press play on that first audio file. Our top certification site is Transcribe Anywhere. Our top job site is GoTranscript.com, and the top earnings reach up to $60 per hour. Subscribe for day 12 tomorrow. Share this video with someone who wants to work from home, and you might just change their life.